This is a run through on how to use and add items to FAQs. So I've started an FAQ category, and you can see here it's actually called categories. You can have as many as you like, so let's just add another one here, just called safety. So once you've got these two categories in here, you can add as many FAQs to each one of those as you like. So I'm actually going to rename this one to portal, because I'm going to add some items into it. So once I go in here, I want to add an item, and I'm going to copy some of the things I've got in my YouTube channel across to this. So how to set notifications. So that's going to be one of the questions I have in here. So I'm going to add that in, and I want to then just pull my my YouTube channel straight through. So this is the particular YouTube channel. I'm going to copy that link, and then I'm going to click on my YouTube item here and paste this into this particular area. Then I do want to keep it as, I want it set to a responsive thing instead of being these fixed values. I don't want to show suggestions at the end, and I want to give anyone that's watching this control over the actual YouTube channel control buttons. So once I've actually done that, I click OK. It should pull my YouTube video through, and then I just purely save and exit. So then if I wanted to add another one on top of that, so I will go back to my YouTube channel just so you can see how this works, and I'll go back into my videos, and this time I want to get a different section of my portal program, and that's this one here. So I want to add another question. This one's purchasing as a staff member, and this is the URL that I want to actually come up. Again, I just click on here, add this in here, and click OK. Save and exit. So that means now I've got two answers and questions for my FAQs on portals. So now if I actually want to pull those items through, I mean, you can just have answers and questions. So if I actually just put in here something like ask a question, and the answer, you can have something very, very simple like this as well. So now to have this coming through on a page that you want it to come through, we go to the widget interface, and we go down to where it's got FAQs. You'll see in here it's actually got here my category name of portals, and what I want to do is copy that. You can either do this, what I've done there, mark it, or click this, which will copy it to your clipboard. Then I want to go into my content, and I've already got a pretend FAQs page, so I just want to add into this one. So that was the FAQs I've already got. I actually just want to duplicate that and replace it with my other one. And then what I want to do is I want to put a space marker between them. So let's just move this one up. And I'll tell this one to duplicate and move it below my space marker and just change that to a 2. And save. So then once I actually go into here and I go to FAQs, I've now got this separated by a space marker. So I can see my text one version here, my YouTube one that's getting pulled through, my other YouTube one that's getting pulled through. And that's as easy as it is to actually do anything with the FAQs themselves.